fall.
I truly care about the wrapping.
I love that.
Don't worry about the wrapping. Just give it to it, Mom. Give it hell.
Look at she's got an entourage. Because everyone knows.
Oh my soul.
Another ball.
Oh no! Oh no!
Get into it.
Oh God!
Here. Wait.
Oh, they're so expensive. How did you buy
No, just wait. We want you to. I don't want you to think about expense.
Oh, they're expensive. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful.
Do you love it?
I love it. Oh, I love
If
it.
you're scream, scream if you like it.
Beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, it's too expensive.
No, it's not. It's not.
That's why we didn't get you a lot of other things.
Do you
I go
love
there
it?
every day.
I know you
Oh,
do.
the cost. The girls are so sweet there.
We've been in and out.
We've been there a few times.
They know about you.
They do. They know me. I know they know me. I know they know
We
me.
said she's gonna freak out.
Oh,
Do you love it?
It's beautiful. Oh, I
Pretty nice.
love it.
And if you don't like that one, I have a gift receipt you can exchange.
They say there's gift receipts there, but no, I wouldn't. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Do you love it?
I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, the colors.
Mom, I'm trying to get me.
Okay.